come with me to go do puppy yoga in Orlando. I'm so excited. Apparently there's golden retrievers today, so let's go check it out. I don't think a lot of yoga is gonna get done today. Puppies and yoga. We made it. Let's see if we can find some puppies. Look how cute. Hi, babies.
Drop down on the other side. Drop the hands down and then drop the hands. So just relax your
video.
Oh, okay, bye.
Okay, so yoga's over. They do about 45 minutes of yoga and then 30 minutes of like playtime. Hey, get in. You're so cute. I want to take him home with me. Gotta say bye. There was definitely more petting than yoga done today, but it's okay. Oh, now this one's awake. This one has been asleep for the past hour. Oh, goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye.